Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Earlier video we went through the what the Oracle Cloud ERP is, what are the different areas or models available and how the Cloud ERP SaaS offerings works. This video I would like to give you the look and feel of Oracle Cloud ERP, the Fusion, what you call. So I have already logged in to Oracle ERP. Now you must be already observing the different look and feel, and it's very user friendly. It looks very intuitive to you. It is having a very different look and feel over here. So in the R12 version of uh, Oracle ERP, you had different responsibilities assigned or attached to the different users, and each responsibility was having a different menus and functions and restrictions. So depending on what is assigned to your user account or your username, you would access or you'd be able to access the different functionalities. So similarly, what we have in Oracle Cloud is you have different roles and privileges. So depending on which roles you assign to any particular user, it will drive what functionality you can access. All right. So there will be no different responsible. There will be no responsibilities here to access. You have to, you know, uh, have different responsibilities for every business unit or something. No, you will see these different menus as on the top. Now you will see multiple menus here because I have been assigned with all these. So is the reason I can see all these different menus which caters to different modules or the offerings. So contract management, I can see order management, receivables, I can see projects, payables, general accounting, etc. And within any particular module, what you will see is the different menus or the different functionalities that are available. Now again, the buttons or the icons that you see are dependent on what type of role is assigned to you. So you may not see a cost if there is a respective role is not assigned to you in this case. And this is a quick action button where you can, you don't have to get into this particular cost section and then review the cost. You may have that manage project cost button here itself if we are frequently using it, right? So if you come down, you can see there are a lot other options are there, things to finish. This is generated by Oracle, which gives you the action items to act upon. News and announcements, you can configure this part. If you come down, this is a very important part of this particular version, analytics. So you can see there are different analytics and dashboards available. These are called infolets. So if I click on the project management infolets, or let's calculate click on the general accounting infolets, it will show you a different aspects of or the summary of what is going on into your application to your business unit or respective area, so that you do not have to get into the application and the respective area every time. You can simply go to analytics. You can create your own analytics and see what summary or what figures and numbers or different graphs that you want to see. Those are all available in the analytics section. You can create your own analytics also into the custom area. Maybe the instance is a little slower, so that's the reason you see this. It is not going to the analytics section. Let's move on to the other areas. So you do not have a separate setup for every responsibility or for every offering. Instead, you have a setup and maintenance area, which is right here on to your right hand corner. You click on your username, and then it takes you to different menus available. The preferences, the user preferences are available. Then the setup and maintenance section will take you to all the setups across the modules. Okay, you have two options. You can select your offering and respective setups will be available here. Within that respective setups, you can see a required task and all tasks. So required task is very useful when you are onto an implementation projects. This will tell you that this is the must-have setups. You can also click on this action or the menu and then click on search. So if you do not know that my setup is part, or the menu that I'm looking for is part of which particular offering, or what's the exact navigation, you can come to this particular global search and you can simply type in, so if I want to search for manage users, I can click here and it tells me, okay, there is a manage user option available, right? So you can search a person over here and it will take you to the result and you can do the editing. I just wanted to show you what the setup and maintenance part looks like. The notification section, of course, it takes you to the notifications. Uh, you can have your favorites. On the left hand section, you can see here, it's the same different menus, but in a different view where all these offerings are available. Now you can explore from here, general accounting. I can see it here. So this is probably a faster way to directly jump onto your respective functionality. Even if you want to look at the scheduled programs, which earlier used to be very specific to a different responsibility. In Fusion, you have a separate section of scheduled processes which will take you to all the programs that are available, and you can submit, you can schedule, and you can see the status out of this section, right? So this is pretty much the overview of how the look and feel is. As you can see, it is very intuitive. As I said earlier, uh, you have uh, multiple options you can choose. So suppose I want to, if I'm going to procurement and I want to have another section here itself, I can click on plus button and it takes you to all the available options. So here you can see some options are checked, some are not. You might want to select everything. You might want to restrict few areas over there. So this is a flexible option or flexibility provided by Oracle Fusion, right? So it lets you choose what you want to uh, see on your front page. You can add a different tab over here. Again, that's a feature available through a sandbox. Now what sandbox is nothing but your customization. So Oracle lets you customize at certain level, not how it used to be earlier, but yes, at certain level you can change the appearance, you can change the background, the logos, you can add some menus, you can add some new pages, you can hide. You can do a lot of things through a sandbox. That is another feature available. Uh, Anything apart from this will be covered into later sections when I get into the application or the module specific functionality. So I think this has opened as you see here. So you can see here different graphs are available, different views are available. I can expand this, I can shrink this, I can, it moves automatically to a different section. Close calendar, I can see, okay, this is uh, income. I can see the graphs over here. I can, I have a back view. This is a front view of this particular infolet. I have a back view also which I can configure if there is something configured. See, uh, within on one single tile I have two different views. I can expand this. So this is the analytics section, and as I was saying earlier, there is a user defined section also. So within user defined infolets, you can add a new infolets through a sandbox and it will start appearing over here. And you can definitely, select the size and what you want to see. Do you want to have the numbers or the graphs or any other thing to this? So this is the section where it will, you can select which all area you want to see it over here. So as of now, only these items are checked. So you can come here and do your separate configuration. So yeah, this is for you, the look and feel of the Oracle Cloud ERP. I hope you like this video and keep watching because area specific, functionality specific videos are going to be available, and you should get the different functionalities you get to learn the different functionalities and how the flows are, the business flows are. All right, so hope you like the video. Keep watching. Thank you.